Need reliable solutions for your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system? Then you're in the right place. At Icy Global Air, we're licensed and insured HVAC professionals. From installation to repair, we work with top brands and are certified HVAC contractors. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, we provide trusted solutions you can rely on. Whether it's residential or commercial refrigeration and air conditioning installations, you can count on us. We speak English and Spanish, and we're here to help. Contact us today for a free quote.